Hi guys, this is Paul Extra Hyperactive. It's Wednesday, August 25th. It's about 4:30 a.m. Pacific time, and Bitcoin is trading around 47,500. I really hope that you had a great week last week. I really hope that you took profits at $49,000 and $50,000, and now you're able to invest or reinvest this money, and you either swing trading, day trading, or maybe preferably long-term trading Bitcoin. As I said a couple weeks ago, that we were expecting the pullback back down to low 40s and maybe even slightly below 40s. I really thought that we would have the pullback first and then we would test $50,000 mark. Unfortunately, Bitcoin didn't agree with me, and it just continued going up. It touched $50,000. It went slightly above 50,434, and now it looks it's going back down to retest our support. And depending on who you're listening to or how you look at Bitcoin right now, the support level should be around either $45,000 according to some experts. Another support level is around $40,000, and some people believe, including me, it might go as low as $38,000. So again, how far down Bitcoin will go will depend on how you look at it. It depends on how far down are you willing to wait to start buying or start trading. For those of you who've been following my YouTube channel, you know that personally I don't like trading Bitcoin when it's on the way down, because it's always a good chance you might get stuck. If you choose to trade Bitcoin on its way down, as I said in my previous video, make sure that you are day trading and you are trading with as little, minimum $1,000 to $2,000, because it does make sense to buy Bitcoin $200, $300, $500 at a time, in my opinion, until it starts really falling down to $40,000. Right now I'm still debating whether I should be trading, day trading, swing trading right now, or I should wait for Bitcoin to go to low 40s and then start trading, day trading and swing trading back. Again, as if you've watched my previous video, you know there are different strategies to trade or invest when Bitcoin goes down. One of my favorite, and preferable for many people, especially if you are if you trade in small amounts of money, anything between a few hundred to a few thousand, the best way for you is just to wait for Bitcoin to go at least to $45,000 and then start buying what they call they average, every day buying a little bit of Bitcoin depending on how far it goes down. But personally right now I'm still sitting out. I'm still waiting and watching Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and have a look at where it was yesterday and what we expect from Bitcoin today, and what we could or you could if you choose to trade Bitcoin. So right now, as I've just said, Bitcoin is around 47,500. Today it already dropped to low 47th, but since it's the first day when it fell to 47, low 47s, there is still a chance it might go back and he did try to go to 48, even though um, as you know me, I'm very skeptical, I'm very reserved. So personally, right now, looking at Bitcoin, depending on the funds, I would trade anything between low 47s. You see, it's dropping. Low 47s to 47 500 600. If you are a risk taker, I would trade anything 47, like 47 500 to maybe high 47s. Again, if you're trading minimum a couple $1,000s per trade, otherwise it's just not worth it. Otherwise you just sit and wait. One of the best ways to day trade when Bitcoin way down is to wait for big drops like what just happened this morning. If you as early, or if you put in your limit buys, maybe at like 47 to 50 would be that's what I put in a limit buy yesterday, but then I decided to not do it. But right now, if you had bought it at 47 to 50, at 47 500 600, maybe a little bit higher if you're a bit greedy, would be a good place to sell. Otherwise, throughout the day, if you see a dip to low 47s, that would be a sign to buy and quickly flip for a quick profit. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, you have a chance to subscribe to my free newsletter and also other social media channels where I actually send signals whenever I think it's a good time to buy Bitcoin for a quick trade, and I send my signals when it's a good time to enter a trade and it's a good time to close the trade. But again, as I say, unlike other online gurus, I watch Bitcoin pretty much all the time I'm awake throughout the day, so I can actually see when those dips happen. Again, you don't have to sit and watch for Bitcoin, you can just put in your limit buys. But like I said, it's much harder to predict comparing to when you're watching Bitcoin live. And if you have a job, if you're too busy to watch Bitcoin like I do all day long, then it's a good thing to subscribe to my letter and quickly receive signals and do quick trades, pull quick profits. But again, it's up to you. I'm not selling anything, I'm not forcing anybody, I'm just sharing my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. And as I've said in my previous video, I'm trading with you the same way as you normally would do by yourself. So like I said, you can either follow my signals, follow what I do, or you can do it on your own. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day and good luck trading today.